Telling you about my personal story, how I ended up in China, and then I can tell you a little bit about forming a company, which I've been working on for about 5 years now, and some of the ups and downs of running a company in China. Personally, I'm from the U.S. I never studied Chinese when I was young. The U.S. school system doesn't actually teach you that much about China, so I never knew too much, and I kind of, just by chance, ended up in China. My background was in finance. I used to work with an investment company in the U.S. Covering consumer stocks. And I started to work with, do consulting with companies going through the IPO and late-stage funding process. So back in the dot-com boom in the U.S., I moved to San Francisco and started working with a lot of startup companies. And it was really great to work with all these really successful startup companies. And I think I got a skewed view of entrepreneurism because I only saw the very successful, only the ones that went IPO, so they made it look easy.